What's up, guys? It is the not so crazy gamer here, and I'm actually pretty crazy. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do some eventing, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an event that once you step on any of these three spots, it'll automatically make you walk up here, show text, make you grab a Pokeball, and until you grab one, if you keep hitting here, it'll keep sending you up. So. It's actually really easy to do, but I'm going to get into explaining it. So I'm just going to show you a blank event. So conditions are this event will only happen once any of these have been met. And what a switch is it can be like anything. I have mine set to a lot more. You're probably only going to have, I think, up to like 100 maybe. But like I just have a bunch because it's better to start at the end. Also because I have some scripts in here that are internally reserved. Like here, these are also reserved. So I just have, it's better to start at the end. And start, oh yeah, now I know what that's for. Anyways, never mind. But that's what that is for. Switches, oh wait, what? Oh, I didn't know that you could set it to 2 switches have to be on. Okay, that's cool. Or maybe that's if this is on or this is on. I'm not sure. Never actually done it with 2 switches. Variable is the same thing, but instead it's a variable. Again, straightforward. I haven't really messed with these, but yeah. Trigger action button means it's when you hit the C key or the action key. Event touch is if you hit the event. So let's say your player's walking, hits it, it'll trigger. Event touch is, let's say you have an event over here just auto running, and you trigger Oak to walk and hit this event. If Oak hits the event, then it'll happen. I think that's how it works. I haven't really done event touch. Auto run is it'll happen as soon as like either the player walks into the map if there's no conditions, or if there are certain conditions that have just been met, then the auto run will happen. Parallel process means it'll happen in the background, so at the same time as other things are going on. So that is really all you need to know for there. So first off, in order to get this to work, you're going to need to know your parameters for this. So you're going to want to know that in order for this to happen, this switch, oh god, must be met, which is choosing starter, has to be on. And then you're also going to want to note that it sets this variable here, starter choice, to 1. That is very important for later on if you want to do like a rival or anything, which I will show you how to do. But anyways, once you know those two, you can make your event. So we're going to want to set this all into a conditional branch, just so that it'll keep happening until this switch has been met, which I made the switch. So you can just choose any variable, doesn't matter what it is. I chose variable 200, so that would be this one here. I start at the end and then go up. I just didn't use this page because I'm already using this for my actual game. So you want to do get Pokemon is on. So when it's on, nothing will happen. When it's not on, all this will happen. So set move route player. All this is for if you want to set a move route for a specific event, then that event will move. So let's say you have a player like Oak is an event, which would be Professor. No, Professor. Whatever, so, close enough. That's how that would work. So this is just going to be the player. I just set a random move route, but it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to want to go wait for moves completion, which means that this won't happen until all the movement has been done. Then you're just going to want to go text, show text, and then type whatever you want. A hint though is if you want it to be blue or red to distinguish gender, you do /B, makes it blue, /R makes it red. So we're just going to do /B. Choose a Pokemon. And then to display the player name, it's /PN, displays player name. Let's say we want to make this in black to stand out from the blue. Do /C, square bracket, 0, square bracket. And then let's say you want the rest of it to be in blue again. You do /B, and then just whatever your text is. So choose wisely. Then that'll happen. And then we're going to want to turn the switch choosing starter to on. because remember, this will only happen once this is on. And then I'm just going to delete these, delete. And then once you have your event here all completely done, which the second page will, the event 200 is now on, nothing will happen because of this here. So just keep that in mind. And then you're just going to copy and paste it, and then just edit the move route so that it corresponds with where you want to go. So here you just go straight up. Here you go up and then right and then turn up. And then here you go right, left, turn up. So anyways, let's, oh yeah, actually I didn't fully explain it. In here, after self switch A, you're going to want to add, I'm going to go control switch 200 and then just turn it on. And then you're going to want to add that for each of the Pokeballs. And if you want to edit the starter, which is very easy, you just right click, edit, and then in caps, name it what you want of the Pokemon that you have. And then this is the level, so I can make it 50, I can make it whatever. 5 is the starter, I just called it Chimchar just cause. And then that'll happen. So let's play test this. I already have the spawn set and everything, so it should work. Alright. Also, my player character graphic is different because I added that, but anyways. So I'm just going to hit this tile, it's going to auto move me, that's the player route that I had, and see how it says choose a Pokemon in blue, red in black, and then choose wisely again in blue. And then this will keep happening until I choose a Pokemon. So let's just go ahead and choose Chimchar. I didn't change the text. I'm just going to hit yes. See, I obtained the Chimchar. And now, if I go back, see, this doesn't happen again. So that is the basic how to just set up like a really easy event. I might get more in depth into like more events, like just for example, my lab, like my events have much more going on in them. Like I have these, which is calling custom scripts that I have put. And then I have like another event, so once this event is done, it'll call this event, and it just gets more confusing. But if you notice, I don't actually have anything going on for these two. Same in this map, I have this event here which auto runs, and it does kind of the same thing. So I might show more of how to do more in-depth events, as well as adding custom scripts. Like for example, this all the way up to the daycare checker are all custom scripts that I have added through either tutorials or myself. So that's really all you need to know about eventing. It's very straightforward, guys. I mean, it's really easy. You just got to get the hang of switches. And also on the wiki, it tells you all these switches here, like all the main ones, what all of these are, because they are predetermined in the scripts. For example, let's say PB is day night, that means it would be a certain time. That's all predetermined in scripts. So yeah, as well as when you turn this switch on, all Pokemon will be shiny, because that is all predetermined in the scripts. For example, these two are predetermined in scripts that I've added, as well as I think these ones. So really, you'll need to know about which are which, and you can just find all that information in the wiki. So I advise going to the wiki when you don't know how to do something, when you can't find a tutorial anywhere else, go to the wiki, guys. It is your best friend. Like, I've learned so much from the wiki. For example, most of the custom scripts are from the wiki. It's honestly your best friend, guys. So anyways, I hope you learned something from that. My next tutorial will probably be changing your character graphic so that it'll looks like something new. And that, guys, is very easy. It's just time consuming because it's a lot of work. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This has been The Crazy Gamer, and peace out, guys.